We got a couple igus parts that we supplied to QuikrStuff from their inventory, just to show you guys where we are used in the QuikrStuff rack. So you'll see these iglide R, some custom bushings that we worked with the engineer JT Westcott on back in 2020, 2021, that are used in the locking mechanism here. So it's these guys. And then the first project that we worked on in about April of 2020 was this crucial pivot, which is using the Q2 bushing, and this main pivot here, which is used to actuate the whole rack. So you can imagine this with 4 racks and 4 bikes. It's a pretty heavy moment load, so we went with a heavier duty, high load bearing like the Q2, which are using 2 pieces on each arm here. It allows you to move the rack out of the way so you can get into trunk space. And then we also did a custom washer in that same pivot as well.